Imagine you've got 30 minutes before school pickup and you feel that's just enough time to get mom, who's living with dementia, to have some lunch. But today she's refusing. She looks at you with fear or maybe confusion. You're gently trying to coax her, but nothing's working. And now you're torn. Do you force it? Do you wait it out? Or do you walk away? And this moment when care meets resistance is one of the hardest, most common challenges carers face today. And often they're completely alone in it. With dementia affecting over nearly 57 million people worldwide, and with nearly 90% experiencing behavioral and psychological symptoms related to dementia, like agitation, aggression, refusal of care, we know these aren't difficult people. These are just distress signals. And in such moments, carers don't need a textbook or an online course. They need support and they need it now. And that's where Jiya comes in. Jiya is a secure AI powered dementia coach built under the guidance of clinicians. It learns about the person behind dementia and delivers real-time tailored strategies that honors their identity and guides the carers with empathy when they need it the most. This is how AI can help us to stay human and stay connected. With Jiya, we're not just managing behaviors, we are meeting needs and building moments of calm, clarity, and connection. Follow for more.